Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Savannah and today I'll be showing you how to get this springtime glowy makeup look. So we're gonna get right into it. First, I'm just priming my lid and setting it with my Kat Von D translucent powder. And mainly for this look, I wanted to use the Karity Matte Palette. I'm digging right into this bright pink shade and I'm packing this on into my crease and I'm going back and forth until I get that pigment that I want. So make sure to just keep on packing and packing on that hot pink. Then I'm going into this coral shade and I'm going to pack it on right above the crease, right above where I put that hot pink shade, and basically just go back and forth. You want it to be really pigmented, so that's mainly what I'm going to be doing. And also make sure to just kind of blend out those edges. Next, I'm going into this light lilac shade and I'm going right on the center of my eyelid. And basically I just dip back and forth like 100 times just to get the pigment that I want. This look is super simple, it's just those 3 shades. And now I'm going into this green eyeliner, which really tops off this look. So yeah, just take your time and get that wing as sharp as you can. I'm just gonna bring you guys quickly through my face makeup. I'm just using my LA Girl concealer in creamy beige. And all the details will be down below. I wanted the main focus of this video to be my eyes. But yeah, I wanted this to be a bronzy look. So I'm just going in with my Colourpop bronzer in Rodeo Drive. And of course, I had to add some blush to this spring look, of course. And this Megaglo highlighter from Wetandwild. I love it. And I'm also going into this green and putting it in my inner corners just to complete the eye look. I noticed that the lighter green wasn't showing up as much, so then I topped it off with a darker green. For my bottom lash line, I'm just going in with that pink and getting it as close to my waterline as possible and kind of just buffing it out with that coral shade afterwards, and then highlighting my brows. Now I'm just checking to see if my contour is right. I'm kind of just carving my bronzer out so that it will stand out a little bit more and make me look a little bit more snatched. I'm going into my waterline with this cream color so that I'm able to put that lilac shade right on top and it pops a little bit more. For lips, I'm going in with this brown liner from Ulta. I believe it's in the shade Cocoa, but like I said, all details will be down below. And then I'm dabbing my Dose of Colors collab with Decay and Katie in the shade More Creamer Please. I'm just dabbing this in the center. And I'm topping it off with my LA Girl lip topper in Starlight. This is so pretty. It has green reflex in it, so I really thought it brought the look together. Finishing off the look with my Morphe setting spray. And here is the final look, guys. Super easy, mainly 3 colors. And with that pop of green, you really get that spring vibe going. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button down below. Also, subscribe to join and see future videos. And stay tuned for the next video where I show you how to get this sleek bun. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Girl, you know fi do your thing, you know follow back on none. Have the wine that you bust it like a gun. Yeah. So for me see you know the place, 1 in a million. Like the girl when named Christina Million. So for me see they can't step in a jacket and dress can.